I got my fishing pole attached to the back of the bike. All right guys, I'm on my way to Bobcaygeon right now. I'm hoping to do some fishing tomorrow. This will probably be a 2-day trip. And right now I'm just on the Dunsford Nature Trail. Oh, I see him. Right there. Yeah, he's looking right at me. See if I can get a little closer. Yeah, look at that thing. Oh yeah, back on the road. Okay guys, I'm just on the outskirts of Bobcaygeon now. Tonight I'm just gonna probably try to grab a pizza or something quick. Yeah, hopefully I can find a decent spot without many people around. Alright guys, I set up my tarp and I'm just gonna eat this pizza and yeah, basically go to bed. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna get some sleep and I will see you guys in the morning. Guys, good morning. It's about 11:30, slept in a bit. Right now I'm heading to Tim's to get a coffee and probably a sandwich. And I have to charge my battery because it died last night. All right. Already. Just a little guy. Oh, he got it stuck in his top lip. He's slipping. There we go. Look at that. Little guy in the water. That was 1 minute and 40 seconds. Yeah, this guy's fucking bigger. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Well, he took my hook and the lure with him. That guy was pretty big. I don't even know what I'm catching, really. I think those are smallmouth bass, but I don't know. That was a decent little fish. Nice dip to cool off. Yeah. Another little guy. Let him go. Oh my God. Yeah, I got something. Oh, just a little guy. Just a little guy. These fucking guys, their fins are sharp, man. Okay, I'm not waiting for anything pretty anymore. Just the next thing I catch, that's what I'm cooking. Okay, here we go. Here's a decent guy. Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh my God. Alright guys, it might be a little small, but I'm hoping to get maybe 2 more or something. I'm just gonna cook what I get. I'm not waiting for a big one anymore. Alright guys, I'm kind of losing my cool a bit here. The fish that I caught and whacked over the head, I put to the side there, and it seemed like, you know, it was brain dead and couldn't move anywhere. And then 10 minutes later, suddenly it just somehow escaped and swam off, and I tried to chase it. All right, guys. Oh, bro, I swear to God, what is going on right now? All right, I'm going for a swim in a minute anyway, so whatever. It might not be the biggest fish that I got today, but this is the one I'm cooking. Oh yeah, buddy, some real redneck cooking out here. Okay, I just put a little oil in the pan. Okay guys, so here we go. I basically separated the meat. Some bones in the meat, but separated it from the spine and, you know, all the guts and the head and whatnot, straight from the lake to plate. Oh, okay guys, I just picked out all the bones and only really left was a little bit of meat, but it would have been better if I caught a few, or I kept the ones that I caught in the first place. Alright, let's try this. It's pretty good actually. It's does have a bit of a sort of like that kind of oily, strong, fishy taste, but it's kind of mild, so it's not that bad, but it's really meaty. Like, it's really, really meaty. It's actually really nice. Just in case I don't get a chance to go swimming again. Alright guys, I found a spot to charge my my battery up, and it's about 10 o'clock. I haven't really eaten dinner except for the fish and a bag of peanuts. Everything's closed here. The gas stations are closed. The only thing that was open is Tim's, and that's pretty far from where I am right now, and it's gonna close anyways soon, so I'm just gonna charge my phone. And it's supposed to rain all through the night. Like, it's gonna start raining pretty soon, heavier. So I found a spot to set up my tarp. I'm just gonna go set all that stuff up so that I'm out of the rain. There's my bike tarp. Can you see that? Yeah, anyways, it's really dark right now, so I don't know. That's basically it. It's supposed to rain throughout the night, so this will be good for now. Okay guys, that's the end of today. I'm gonna get some sleep. Yeah, that's it. All right. Okay, good morning guys. I'm just tearing down my tarp and getting all my stuff set up. It was raining throughout most of the night last night. I stayed dry though. It's still kind of raining right now. I'm just gonna go find some food and a coffee. All right guys, I had myself some food. I'm just biking around now. I'm gonna go check out this skate park. This is the skate park. Got this kicker headed straight into the fence, but I don't think I'll be bringing my board here if I come back to Bobcaygeon. That's not bad. That looks kind of fun, but better than not having a skate park, I guess. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Sorry I didn't film too much of the bike ride back. I made it to Fenland Falls. I'm just hanging out here by the water. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.